Okay, another question I get is about student view and these tabs on the side. And sometimes even teachers want to rearrange these so that they can have the ones that they use up closer to the top. So I'm going to look at my course right now, and you'll see when I click student view, these are the only ones that the students are going to see. Home, syllabus, announcements, modules, assignments, quizzes, and discussions. You may even want to disable more of these. For example, I may want to disable assignments and quizzes so that students are going to the modules to access them. Whatever you decide, what you're going to end up doing is you need to go to that course and scroll down to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to hit the navigation tab, and anything that you don't want the students to see, you're going to move down here. So students actually wouldn't see grade sync anyway. I'm going to move that down. I disable grades because I want them to go into our grading system, which is PowerSchool, to see their grades. And I pull all of these down also: Google Drive, Edpuzzle, Flipgrid, collaborations, conferences, all of these that can get really confusing for the students. And let's say I don't want them to see assignments or quizzes. And maybe I want to move announcements up and move syllabus down. However I arrange this, this is the order that we're going to be able to see them. And again, any items that I don't want the students to see, I will hover over and drag down. So, actually I want syllabus here. Move back up. There we go. Okay, so once you have that all done, you're going to make sure to hit save, and then you will go back into your course. Let me hit my home page, and you will be able to see that any item with the eyeball with a line through means that the students cannot see it. And I can go over to student view and double check, and these are the only items that the students will be able to see. So again, settings and navigation is what you want to use for that.